Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down, at the same time like this. I mean power key plus volume, plus volume up, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again. Volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. You can find them in gallery, in the special screenshot section, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshot, search with lens, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.